Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get ChatGPT Plus. So first you need to open a sidebar right here, and here you see a button Upgrade to Plus. You just need to tap on it, and as you can see I currently have the free plan. So the free plan has a bunch of disadvantages compared to the Pro plan, to the Plus plan, ChatGPT Plus. As you can see, it's only available when the demand is low, standard response speed, and regular model updates. If you want a bunch of advantages, or sort of advantages of ChatGPT Plus, you need to upgrade. So when you tap on this button, you are redirected to Stripe. That's a payment method OpenAI uses. So it's actually not $20 per month, but it's $24.20 because it's a bunch of fat that comes, that you need to pay extra. So you just need to tap on this button. It's only around $20 per month. You can cancel it every month, and you have a bunch of great advantages compared to the free plan. So I do recommend you upgrading. I'm gonna upgrade as well. So yeah, let me know how you think about ChatGPT Plus. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.